Hello everybody, I'm that Camera Guy, and Happy New Year! It's 2024, so this is going to be the first unboxing of the new year. Now I thought about doing something small and simple, but since it's a new year and this year is already hitting off with a bang, I'll talk about that later, maybe, probably not. I decided to do a bigger unboxing. So this is one I've been saving for a little bit because I want it to be more special, but what's more special than the new year? Today we have the CSM, Complete Selection Modification Gatack Zector. This is the secondary rider of Kamen Rider Kabuto. And he is actually one of my personal favorite Kamen Riders. I could do a whole separate video on that, but that'll be for another day. But also, I just really love his design and how he's a contrast to Kabuto. See, Kabuto has the blue eyes and the red armor, and he's got the opposite. Blue armor, red eyes. It's wonderful and it works well. Anyways, enough talking. Let's open it up. Ooh, what's that? Huh. Oh yeah, the Gatack driver was made a long time ago. This must have been what they'd made before the Fies driver. Don't see a date on this, but I'm guessing this was like the first Fies driver before they came out with the 2.01. Instructions, we'll worry about that later. Okay, this one needs batteries, so I'll put those in a minute. Also needs batteries, so I'll get to that in just a second. I actually really love the Kabuto belts because they've got these I'm not sure what to call these, but the belts on the sides, the belt itself, it better fits around your waist when you clip it in, because these just like form around you, instead of it being a little stiff. Henshin. Thank you for joining me for the first unboxing of the new year. Many more to come, especially later on once we reach some subscriber goals. But I do have plenty more planned, and it's going to be a good time. So, thank you for joining me. Let me know which rider in Kabuto is your favorite. Personally, I am a big fan of the Scorpion Zector, the Sassword. Weird name, I know, but anyways, thank you for joining for the unboxing. Hope to see you for the next one. And remember, it's always Henshin time!